Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you my process of recycling these jars. So here's my test candle graveyard. May we take a moment of silence for all the test candles that just never made the cut. These are the jars that I want to reuse. So I'm going to go ahead and show y'all how I get the test wax out and have them looking brand new. Before we get into this video, definitely go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And I did want to just go ahead and thank you guys for 200 subscribers. You know, at the rate we're going, I believe I'm going to be able to meet my goal of 1,000 subscribers in 2021. So thank you all for that. So my method includes getting as much of the wax out possibly, and then whatever I can't get out, I melt down. So I like to do this method first before actually hand washing these containers, because the last thing you want to do is get wax in your drains. And if you do happen to use this method, I have a nice little hack to get the wax out once the water and everything cools, it solidifies. So go ahead and check out the video that I have popping up in the corner. One thing I would say is to make sure you don't have your water too hot when you're boiling it, because you don't want the glass to crack. One of my glasses cracked, but I'm not going to be using that, that jar to sell. But I did use it to test the candle and it didn't break. So there's that. I'm just going to go ahead and hand wash each one of these jars. So I'm going to be using these tweezers to get the wick tabs out. Oh my gosh. I never realized how strong these things are until it's time to actually go ahead and recycle some jars. They do not want to come out. And voila, nice and clean. You want to go ahead and let them air dry. And then once they're done, you can go ahead and start to towel dry to get all that excess water. I like to use a paper towel as well. And you can see me dipping some mystery substance onto that paper towel. That's actually just some alcohol to kind of dry it out a little bit. And yeah, so whatever method you like to use, go ahead and use it. This is my method. I mean, I'm not a guru or anything, as you know. This is just my trial and error. I'm really just bringing you along for the journey. So this seems to be working for me. Let me know down below if you have any methods that work better for you. But yeah, this process for this amount of jars took a couple of hours. And as you can see, I'm getting a little tired here. My back is hurting, but we're almost done, so it's all good. So yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, go ahead and smash my like button. I like it when you smash it. And also go ahead and subscribe if you made it this far. You obviously like me a little bit. I think you've got a crush on me. I think you do. Anyway, this has been me recycling some jars. I hope y'all enjoy this kind of content. Let me know below what kind of candle content you want to see going forward. I'm working on my spring launch. I have 3 new scents that I'm making unique blends for. So I'm really excited for that. And here's the final glimpse of all my clean jars. Thank you so much for watching. And once again, thank you guys for 200 subscribers. I am so grateful.